Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying Twitter profile links on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Twitter and go to the profile that you would like to copy the link of. Tap the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner. Choose Share from the options that appear. Tap Copy and a link to that profile will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste the link wherever you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.